Hello, this is Wing Yi from the Yi Real Estate Network, and we we help investors, turnkey, remote, passive investors, regardless of their actual physical home-based location, whether in California or in Pacific Northwest or Northeast or Midwest, wherever is your home base. If you want to buy uh, investment property that will earn you a good return with good cash flow, turnkey with very little work. We are the company that can help you do that. We've been doing it for the past 20 years. We have helped more than 1,000 real estate mom and pop risk investors to buy cash flow turnkey properties with property management, the whole 9 yards. One-stop shop within our local team that we represent in various markets in the country. Most of them is located in the south and southeast of the U.S. But like I said, you have the ability. We will take most of your due diligence and research away for you. So if you're busy with your life, with your family, with your profession, with your job, whatever, you have no time to do all of your own research and fixing your own properties and managing your own properties, which is mind-boggling difficult, right? Needless to say. So why not turn your attention to work with a real estate investment club such as us, and we can help you buy. We have done all the work for you on your behalf. So all you have to do is just sign into our website, realestatenetwork.com, and place your email newsletter in there, and you will become our unofficial member of our real estate investment club, and you will have access to our free real estate education through your email inbox. And once you decide to pull the trigger, you buy through our network, and our team on the ground, regardless of the network market that we represent, they will help you to invest your property, invest your money for the long term in the safest possible manner with the lowest amount of risk possible, as if you can do it yourself. All right, so without further ado, let me share my screen. Today's market I'm going to discuss is in the suburbs of Birmingham, Alabama. Sorry. Anyway, so I'll be real quick. This is a resale property. It's turnkey. It's all rehab. We have done all the rehab work, and the price of this resale home is only $110,000. Is that amazing? And the rate we are using $1,100 rent, which is like the 1% rule, right? 1% is the rent to value ratio. That's an amazing formula, which is above the investment property benchmark. So, you could say that, we are helping hardcore, motivated, serious investors to buy out-of-state properties, single-family home up to fourplex. This is our niche, if you will. But again, we've been doing it for many, many years. We have helped more than 1,000 real estate investors, mom and pop investors like you, right? Regardless of, like I said, where you work, you have the ability to tap into the resources that we have, and we vetted those resources for you over the years, and we have surrounded ourselves with some great team of property managers and realtors and loan agents that work within our network. So when you buy properties through our network, nothing out of your pocket. You just pay your regular seller's concession, sales transaction, nothing out of your pocket, pretty much. And is turnkey, is off market. That means you don't have to deal with the stress of multiple bidding, multiple offers, and all those crazy stuff we've been hearing out there, right? So, all right, let me. I only have a few more minutes to do this. $110,000 is an amazing value here in Alabama, and to rent for $1,100, amazing cash flow. Annual taxes are $1,300, so monthly property taxes only a little bit less than $100. which is very good, right? The tax rate is like around 1%, which is very, very good. And your insurance is only like, what is it, $60 per month approximately. And then your property management fee, 10% of the rent. Behoove you to use our in-house property management. They will do a great job for you for many, many years to come. And so you become really passive investor, and you don't have to, you do not have to rehab your property on your own. You don't have to find your own tenant. All that stressful work, you delegate to our great property management and what have you. All right. So anyway, and this home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, right? It has a carport. It's built 1940. Now, don't let that scare you because the foundation of the home is very nice. We do all the our team in Alabama make sure the property is turnkey. Make sure the property is all rehab properly to get a renter in for you after you close escrow. So and of course the renovation is done very nicely, high quality renovation, and you can. Our team in Alabama is very transparent. They will more than happy to give you a copy of the reservation report to indicate what was done to it. So carport storage building, great neighborhood. Is a B-rated neighborhood, right? So very easy to get a tenant. Renovations or something change. New roof, new HVAC, granite countertop, ceramic tile in kitchen, new flooring, new bedroom added, new bathroom added. See, everything has been rehab without your extra cost to you. You just pay for the purchase price, $110,000. That's it, right? At 20 or 25% down payment, only like a mere like how much? $25,000 to $30,000 out of your pocket when you finance this property. When you leverage through the great 4% interest rate loan, which is a historical loan rate, and then at the end of the day, your gross rent of $1,100 minus all your expenses and debt obligations monthly, you will trigger at 20% down. You will trigger a whopping $426.42 monthly positive cash flow, and we're talking like 23% rate of return when you leverage your purchase with financing. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. But if you pay all cash, a lot of people pay all cash to buy this investment home. You still get a 9% return, which is better than the stock market, right? And you pay our cash without a mortgage, your monthly net income is $827. So anyway, but the key return is not just initial first year return, is your overall return on a back end. Once you hold the property on your second, third, fourth, and fifth year, then you will get much higher triple, quadruple digit return the longer you hold the property. And that's the idea. All right. So here's a nice looking cookie cutter home, single family home, decent square footage. What is that? Almost 1,500 square foot on a more than a half-acre lot. Like I said, built 1940, but the contract team, the rehab team on the ground in Alabama for years have done a great work for our out-of-state investors. So all in the B class rating. I mean, what more can you ask for? Great return on your money, great cash flow, annual appreciation projected to be 3 to 5%. It's probably more given what's going on with the record high prices of houses throughout the country in the past couple of years. Anyway, that's all I have to say. And isn't that amazing? Look, I mean, just a mere $30,000 down payment on a 20% financing, you will trigger around $400 per monthly cash flow. That is amazing. On an annual basis, do the math, right? You're getting like $5,000 of annual net cash flow. I mean, that is great return on investment. So I rest my case. All right. So this kind of property, when it becomes available for our members, or they get sold very, very quickly within hours. We're not talking within 24 to 48 hours. Once this listings, this limited listings we have from our Alabama team, when it comes to our members' email thread right into your email inbox, for example, you just first come, first serve. That means the first investor we have within our network that's willing to pull the trigger, talk to our team, get pre-qualified for the loan first, of course, then pull the trigger. You just sign the contract. You got to be quick to withdraw. You got to be you have to be like Clint Eastwood. You got to be quick to withdraw. Otherwise, another investor is going to beat you to it. Always, we do not have enough inventory because the demand is so high for our investors. This is the off-market opportunity, and you have to pull your trigger very quick when the listings becomes available. So at the end of the day, you just get on our waiting list, right? You and a lot of investors that already been pre-qualified get on a priority wait list when this kind of listings becomes available on a weekly basis. There's only a few. There are always more investors than there are available listings in a way that you saw, right? So we have resales in Alabama and new construction, and we have very few new construction that will be coming available as well. So prioritize your goal, get on our waiting list, and when the listing becomes available, you have to pull the trigger, get under contract. Then after getting the contract, then you do some additional research and due diligence, go through the inspection report, the whole 9 yards, just like you buy any other property. But this property are great. Our turnkey provider has an outstanding track record. So the risk is very, very low, even though you could be buying 2,000 or 3,000 miles away, remotely, passively. All right, thank you so much for watching. This is Si-Win Yi from the Yi Real Estate Network. Have a nice day. Goodbye.